Installing MPM Polymer Barriers from Clarity Safety is straightforward, effective, and a great way to take workplace safety into your own hands. Whether you're protecting people or assets, our barriers are designed with simple installation in mind, so you can save on costs and get your site protected fast. In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how to install your barrier system with confidence. Start by reviewing your 3D drawings or plans. Then, lay out your barriers using a string or laser line. It is important to line them up before drilling to check everything is square and straight. Make sure the rounded face of each barrier points towards incoming vehicle traffic, as this maximizes impact absorption. Before you start, make sure you've got the right tools and parts. You'll need drill and screwdriver, SDS, masonry drill, string line or laser, spirit level, clamps, chop saw, socket set, chemical anchor kit, MPM installation instructions, which can be found on our website. And of course, the correct PPE. Installation requires 2 people and basic construction experience, but it's a job many of our customers complete themselves. Posts should be at least 100 mm from walls and other obstructions to give them space to flex if impacted. Step 1. Check your materials. Lay out all barrier parts and double-check your order. If anything is missing, contact our team before going further so we can sort this for you. Step 2. Line up barriers. Assemble the full run first, but don't drill yet. Just check spacing and alignment. Step 3. Mark and drill post holes. Mark post locations, then move the barriers aside and drill into the concrete. Ensure your fixings match your surface type. Step 4. Install the posts. Fix the posts securely into place using the correct bolts. Posts should be level and firmly seated. Step 5. Slide in the horizontal rails. Feed each rail through the posts, using the pre-cut ends for corners and junctions. Step 6. Insert dowels. Secure the rails in place with dowels. This locks the structure together and stops lateral movement. Step 7. Add end caps. Finish each section with end caps for a safe, clean edge. Step 8. Inspect and test. Give the barrier a gentle shake to test stability. Tighten any loose fixings. Step 9. Take photos. Document your install. This is both for your records and to share with our team. We love seeing your projects in action. Your Clarity MPM barriers are covered by a 2-year warranty, even when self-installed. That's how confident we are in the durability of our solutions. Need help choosing the right barrier setup? Or want to book an installation instead? Visit our website today or get in touch to speak with one of our safety experts.